Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to download Hang Leong app in a mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's start the video. In order to download Hong Leong mobile banking app, go to the App Store if you are iPhone user, and if you are Android user, go to the Play Store. Here you can see the search bar. Type in Hong Leong mobile banking app. You can easily find this app. Tap the app. Now click the install button. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Hang Lyon Bank is a major public listed banking group in Malaysia. This app is designed to make our day-to-day banking app. This mobile banking app allows us to access our banking accounts on the move, to perform instant fund transfer via your mobile phone, and to locate Hang Lyon Bank's point of services whenever and wherever. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can read reviews and ratings as well. Once the app gets installed, you can open the app by clicking open button. Now you have to choose your language. After that, you need to set up your account. After creating your account, you can easily use this app. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.